Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Apple ID password. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to the internet with Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Settings app on your device. Tap your name at the top of the settings screen to enter Apple ID settings. Select Password and Security from the list. Tap Change Password. If asked, enter your device passcode to continue. Read any on-screen notes about password requirements so you know what is allowed. Tap the Current Password field if you are changing it on a website or on an older device. Type your current Apple ID password carefully. Tap the New Password field. Create a strong new password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using your name, birthday, or simple patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap the Verify field to confirm the new password. Type the exact same new password again to avoid errors. Tap Change or Update in the top right corner to save it. Wait a few seconds while Apple updates your password. If you see a message about signing in again, tap OK and follow the prompts. Open any Apple apps that request your password, like iCloud, App Store, or iMessage. Enter your new Apple ID password when asked. If you use other devices like a Mac, sign in there with the new password too. On a Mac, open System Settings. Click your name, then choose Password and Security. Click Change Password on Mac and follow the same steps to set the new one. If you forgot your password, go to I Forgot, Apple.com in a browser. Enter your Apple ID email or phone number and complete the verification steps. Choose a new password when Apple allows you to reset it. After changing the password, review your trusted phone numbers and devices in Password and Security. Remove any device you do not recognize to keep your account secure. Turn on two-factor authentication if it is not already enabled for extra protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.